Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Same Chick, Different Day. So today I'm making a wreath. Most of these items are going to come from the Dollar Tree. So this is one of the green foam wreaths from the Dollar Tree, and I'm using a couple of the 7-piece ornaments, some of the 12-piece ornaments, and some of the smaller ones that have 16 pieces. And I possibly will use these little bales. All of these items came from the Dollar Tree. And then I'm going to use some Krylon spray paint, which I will find a link and leave for you below. So look for the list down below in the description box of all of the supplies that are used. And you will need a glue gun, a hot glue gun. The very first thing you need to do is take some of the larger balls and take the little top part off that holds the ornament onto the tree. It'll make it easier for you when you're sticking it into the foam. Now, all I'm going to do is take 4 of these and put them across from each other. As you can see, I'm just going to kind of screw it down in there. For now, I'm not going to worry about gluing it until I get them exactly where I want them. So I have these 4 in place, and as you can see, they're across from each other. 1, 2, 3, 4. I did this video last year, but I used red and gold and off-white. You may want to check that out. I will leave a thumbnail for that video at the end of this one. You can look for it. Once you have them all positioned where you want them, then you're going to take them out and put a bead of glue onto your ornament, and then go ahead and place it back in the hole that you've already made for it. Make sure that you work on a flat surface on this, because if you're holding it up like you just saw me do, you may glue it and you won't be able to put it down onto a flat surface when you're done with it. So just make sure you work with it on a flat surface. So I've got that glued in. I'm going to glue the other ones in. Now, to make this easier on me, I'm going to go ahead and take this outside and spray paint this with the black Krylon spray paint, so that it'll make it easier for me, and so that if there are any gaps at the end, you won't see the green foam. Instead, you will see the black, which matches this project. So I've spray painted it, and as you can see, it's all black now. So now I'm going to take some of these balls that are white, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put them across from each other. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I'm putting a silver across from a silver, a white across from a white. So I still have the 4 black ones on there, but I'm just putting them across from each other so it'll have some balance. Now up here, I'm going to do a white across from a white beside the black. And then I'm going to do silver across from the silver along with the black. That'll be the foundation. All my bigger balls will be in place, and then I'll start putting in the smaller ones. Now I'm starting to deal with the size smaller, the medium size one. And the trick to this is just using different finishes. You see, this has a pattern. This one has a pattern, but it has a matte finish. This one's shiny. And so I'm going to do the same thing. Just try to balance them out. You know, put one of these on one side and one on the other, and do the same thing with these. Find a side and put it on the opposite side. And then when I get to the small ones, it won't matter. I'll just be filling in. so that nobody gets confused about anything, basically what I'm doing is putting 4 pieces. I've got 2 big pieces and 2 of the medium-sized pieces. And I just want the textures and the colors and the finishes to vary. That's it. And so it looks good together. So I'm about to put this piece on, and then I'll be done with my medium-sized pieces. And then I'm going to go to the really small pieces, and then we are almost done. So there you go. There you have one side. And then here's the one where I used the black and the shiny ball. So I hope you're understanding that I'm just putting everything across from each other so that it looks nice. Okay, so here is the finished project. I hope you can see how much this is glistening, and it's really pretty. The sun is going down, so I'm not able to really get really good light on it. I had to come into my bedroom to try to get some light, but as you can see, this is really pretty. And so this is the one I made for you on video. It has all the different textures. I ended up having to use 3 of these smaller balls, 3 packages. And so there's the ones with the glitter, there's the flat ones, and then I used some shiny ones. And then I even got another package, so that makes 4, because I wanted to just spray paint some of these in black and see how they would look, and I think it gives it some more dimension. So I hope you like this. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you like it. Then with all of my leftover ones, I made another one. As you can see, this one does not have all of the textures that this one does. It doesn't have, you know, the patterned balls. It just has sparkly ones, and it has the ones that are kind of white looking. It has some shiny finishes, and I did add some black to it. And on this one, I went with the black balls 1, 2, and 3. So I did it in groups of 3 instead of on 4 the way I did the first one. So I hope that you like these. Now let me show you what it would look like if you want to use it as a centerpiece. If you want to, you can use this just as a wreath, just the way I showed it to you. But what I did here is I added one of the glass vases from the Dollar Tree. I added a little bird. I just set the bird on top. This is also from the Dollar Tree. And then I added one of the little mirrors from the Dollar Tree. Now, on the other side, let me just put this back for anybody who still wants to see it like this. And you can see, oh, my bird is coming down. But you can see how pretty that is. And I've just got this on my work table in my room. And now this one, I did the same thing. It's the vase and the same mirror. But when I went into Dollar Tree today, they had these white charger plates with a little shimmer on them. I hope you can see that shimmer. I'm not sure if it's showing up on camera, but I just put a plate underneath and the mirror and a glass vase, and you can see just how pretty these are. Let me show you from above. So I think they turned out beautiful. I hope that you like them. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below and subscribe.